So this is the main building. I guess I should have figured that out, but it wasn't obvious when I drove in. And there's a lot of stuff here. RVs, RVs, RVs. Travato's going into the shop now. All right, see you later. We're walking along the Green River Trail.
Green River?
Yes, and in front of us obviously is a train coming to a stop as it crosses over this bridge. Picking up speed again. Does the trail go under the bridge? Last car. Well, I'm not sure what's going on here. A little sketchy, but we're in an industrial area of Kent, outside of Seattle. This is not our typical outdoor adventure, but different circumstances lead to different ideas. Been a certain amount of grooming to this trail recently, revealing all kinds of trash. Comes a family. Overlook of the river. We'll make this our turnaround point. Back the way we came. Won't be long for sunset. Near the airport. A clear view of Mount Rainier. Whoa. A little slippery. Yes. Well, no, we went on the upper one. That's okay. We can, there's no train right now. Or is there? Oh, here comes a train. This is an industrial area. This is the way we came up to the paved trail. Skye's convinced there's a squirrel in this pine tree. Where is he, Skye? Also an oak tree. Milky Way truck. We're done. Good girl. It is muddy. Some restoration going on.
That's a huge sequoia trunk.
Yeah. Well, this must be the entrance to the Green River Trail. No signage though. A little chewed up road here.
They make pallets.
Yeah. Let me see how far we went. That would make 3.24 miles. Not bad. So I asked Skylar at Poulsbo RV if he could check some of these items on my list of issues with the van, in addition to the recall work on the awning. And he said, okay. So I presented him a list, and one was the GFCI tripping in the AC circuit system. Well, his technician went ahead and connected it back up the way it was, and he said it works fine. Maybe it worked fine at the time, but it doesn't now. It will not reset. So back to my temporary solution. First, I'll turn off the AC circuit breaker for the receptacles. 15 amp. Let's make sure the power's off. The red LED is off. The power is out. Now I'll get the fire extinguisher out of the way. Disconnect the load wires. go turn on the circuit breaker. And it's tripped. Let's see if I can reset it. Yep. It's working now. Let me test. Reset. All right. Tighten it up. Plug in my handy dandy cable here that's been removed. There we go. We are functional. At least for this outlet and for my entertainment center. That's the way it is for now. Back to the drawing board. It's been a couple days since we returned from Kent, Poulsbo RV, to get our awning recall fixed, and several other items on my list. Our van is obviously dirty from the 250-mile round trip journey, but I can see they removed the zip ties that secured the awning temporarily. The weather's been so windy and rainy, it did not make sense to bring the van out and test the awning. Today's a beautiful sunny day, no wind, so I'm gonna check it out. The awning deployed as expected. Of course, we're not driving. Skye wants to go for a trip. What do you think, Skye? It's got some leaf prints on it.
That's okay.
Yeah, it's kind of a
That gives it
deco.
character.
Yeah. Let's check the retract of the awning. There she goes. Looks good.